Need a quick voiceover for your video? Let's create one with PosterMyWall AI. In the editor, click the AI menu and select Voiceover. You can type your own script or click Write with AI to generate a catchy description for your brand in seconds. Next, choose a voice profile for your video.
The quick brown fox jumps over. The quick brown fox jumps over.
Select a voice and hit Generate to create your voiceover. Fine-tune the placement of your voiceover on the timeline. Once you're happy with the result, you're ready to download and share your video. Level up your content with AI voiceovers. Visit PosterMyWall and start creating today.